Number 18. The following question has two parts. First, answer part A, then part B. Riley needs to save $300 for a computer. She gets an allowance of $10 a week and has already saved $75. Part A. How many weeks X until Riley will have enough money to buy the computer? Select the correct symbol to model the situation. So she needs to have $300 in order to buy that computer. So 10x, that's $10 a week, so 10 times however many weeks, plus the 75 she's already saved. Whatever this is, has to be more than 300 because that computer costs 300. So remember, our symbol needs to open up. If it has to open up to look like it's eating this side, so it needs to be like this. So we say 300 is less than 10x plus 75. So we should choose the second option. Part B says, what is the value that is a solution to the to the situation in part A? So we need to solve for x. So we have 300 less than 10x plus 75. So we need to get x alone. So subtract 75 on both sides. 300 minus 75 is 225. Less than 10x. One more step to get x alone. 10 and x are being multiplied, so undoing that with division. 225 divided by 10 is 22.5, less than x. If I want to flip this around so it's easier for me to read, I would flip it to x in 22.5. And I want it to open up still towards the x, like so. So that means x is greater than 22.5. So she needs 22.5 weeks, but she's only paid by the week. So if she's only paid 22 weeks, she's not going to have enough money saved up. So x has to be greater than that. So which number has greater than 22? Okay, 23 is the only option. All of them are less than 22.5. Number 9. It says the following function was used to calculate the profit generated by selling t-shirts. So we're talking about profit here. Let f of x equals 15x minus 25 represent the profit function, and x represent the number of t-shirts sold. So it looks like $15 per shirt, so 15 times however many t-shirts are sold, minus 25. Maybe that minus 25 means that they are kind of starting out in the negative, which means they've spent $25 of their own ahead of time. That is kind of taking away from their profit, but they can make that back by selling the t-shirts. It says which statement is true of f of 200. So remember, when it's in that notation, this is function notation. I would plug in 200 in where they have the x. So I would plug it in here too. So that would look like f of 200 equals 15 times 200 minus 25. 15 times 200 is 3,000. Drop down minus 25. 3,000 minus 25 is 2,975. Here we go. And let's answer which one's true. It results in 15. Nope, it results in 297. 2,975. So, no. It results in 15. That means $15 were made in profit. No. It results in 2,975. So both of these are on the right track at the start. C, it results in 2,975 and means that 2,975 t-shirts were sold. No, we plugged in 200 in for x, and x represented the number of t-shirts sold. So that's not true. D, it resulted in 2,975 and means that $2,975 was made in profit. That is correct. This is a profit equation. So D is our answer.